Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to invest your money, especially for beginners. And this can also be applied for the ones that already have been investing their money for years and it's growing. This is just another simple strategy that you can start implementing as well to be able to actually quadruple that income. But if you're just starting out, you don't know what to do with your money. Let's say you have a lot of money in the bank and you don't know what to do with it. Or let's say you have no money at all, or maybe you have $100 or $1,000 and you don't know where to start. This video is exactly for you. So stick around, and if you're excited, make sure you like this video for the YouTube algorithm. I appreciate your support. Thank you. I remember for myself, I didn't know where to invest. I didn't know what to do. I didn't know where to rely on because I was mainly relying on my feelings. But this particular formula that I'm going to show you today, because I know I've had a lot of questions about this, like where do you put your money, how much, what's the percentage? And because of this formula, my portfolio is growing, and I also want yours to grow. Not just grow, but actually build something that will continue to grow for you without even being there, and also while you're sleeping. The first thing that you want to do when you get a paycheck, you want to take that 10% of your paycheck into your giving account, and that is your checking account. Millionaires know today that what you give, you will receive. You don't have to be a millionaire or a billionaire for you to start giving, but you want to be able to give 10% of that income in order to be able to grow. It's a financial principle. It will make you money. If you are a hard worker and your income is not growing because you're putting a lot of this effort and a hard work and you're not seeing results, you want to be able to implement this. 10% goes to giving, which is your checking account. And I'll provide a link below in the video description for you to know where to give if you obviously want your money to quadruple. Number two is another 10% goes to your wealth account, which is your savings or brokerage account. So that can be like stocks, that can be Bitcoin, that can be crypto, that can be rental properties. I personally do stocks. I personally use E-Trade to grow my income, and that has made me money when I started implementing knowing how to do stocks. I'm not a stocks expert by all means. I know that I have a financial advisor who helps me out with that, and I truly trust this individual. It's a brand new skill that I'm learning, and I have seen many great results from it. I highly recommend E-Trade, but start there. Start where you can, make it as simple as possible for you, and that's usually what I use to be able to grow my wealth. If you grow your wealth in a different direction, do that. But 10%, number two, 10% goes to your wealth account. Number three is another 10% of your paycheck goes to debt, which is your checking account. Little by little, you're going to be debt free. I know most people, when they implement into strategy, they're debt free within 5 to 7 years, some people even 3 or 2 years. So 10%, you don't need to put your entire paycheck into one thing because you got to pay yourself first. There's percentages, there's a formula that has to be in place in order to actually grow your wealth, and not so much relying on yourself that we probably don't even know what we're doing half of the time. But when we have a formula in place, we actually know where our money is going, and we're on top of our finances, and we're a governor of our finances. This helps you to be a governor of your finances. And if you're debt free, congratulations, that is incredible. That's a huge milestone. You obviously want to stay debt free. This helps you to stay debt free. Because you're debt free, that 10% that you normally would go towards your debt, you add it into your wealth account. So that means 20% goes to your wealth account, which again is your savings or your brokerage account. Number four, the rest of your paycheck, we have 70% left. So 70% of your paycheck goes to your bills operating account, which is also your checking account. So any bills that you have, 70% goes to that. You live off 70%. That 70% helps you to live below your means. If you're living above your means, there's definitely something that has to be changed, because that will never help you to grow, because it's just going to drive you to chase after money day in and day out and still not satisfied with the results that you have. So most people starting off, and still I know multimillionaires today that live below 70% or 70% bracket. And the person that I'm learning this from as well, his name is Hans Johnson. He has a book that I highly recommend that you get. It's called True Wealth Formula. I'll link that link below this video for you to also get that book. He teaches you how to grow your wealth based on that formula that I just gave you. So number one, 10% giving, checking account. Number two is 10% your wealth account, which is your savings or brokerage account. Again, if you're debt free, 20% goes to that. If you're in debt, 10% goes to your debt account, which is your checking account. And then lastly, number four, 70% living off below your means. That right there, you have a system. You have a formula in place. You are being system dependent rather than emotion dependent or people dependent. You're depending your finances on a system, And that is exactly where you need to start, especially for my beginner ones. This is so incredibly crucial. This is how I started. You don't have to have millions and millions in your bank account for you to actually be extremely wealthy. You start off by little implementing this formula down, and little by little you're going to start seeing results. But it's important to follow every step in order for you to see results. If you don't, good luck, my friends, because it's going to be a harder road. I want to make this as simple as possible for you. This is already a system that has worked for multiple multimillionaires that I know today. So if it's working for them, it's definitely going to work for you. It's working for me. I have seen my income quadruple because of this. And I just cannot seem to go back to how it was before, where I was just running after money and never being satisfied. So again, the book that I recommend is called True Wealth Formula. Again, the link is in the description below. If you found this video helpful, make sure you comment, letting me know that you're going to start implementing this. And I am so excited for you. This is going to help you double, triple, quadruple your income beyond your wildest dreams, and you're going to be more free. You're going to be not chasing after money. Money's going to be chasing you instead. It's just knowing a system that's going to be working for you rather than vice versa. I want to know something from you. Are you tired of wasting time at the grocery store to only find really low quality necessities for your everyday use? And if you do find better quality, it's so expensive and they don't deliver the results that you're looking for. The average person spends an hour to an hour and a half at the grocery store every week. That's a lot of time, and that's a lot of your time. Are you tired of trying to find better, eco-friendly, and environmental products to only find very expensive brands? And not only that, they don't deliver the results that you're looking for. So what are you left with? Dissatisfaction, time wasted, and your money, unfortunately. But I have found the solution for those problems. If you're interested in affordable, eco-friendly, non-toxic, and safe for the environment necessities for you and your family, and also want to save time and money while you shop, time to look no further. I partner up with the biggest online shopping club in North America, and we are also in 19 different countries. Yes. When you become a member with me, you get 30 to 50% off every single time you shop. And guess what? To become a member, it's only $19 a year. Not only that, you get $100 worth of free products when you become a happy shopper, and many more benefits from that. Sounds too good to be true? I had the exact same thought until I give it a try, and Melaleuca delivers on everything I expected and more. I've been a happy shopper now with Melaleuca for 4 years and never had to switch to another brand again. I got hooked. No more headaches. Give these better quality and affordable products a try, just like I did. If you're interested and want to know more and want to give them a try yourself, contact me. There's a link below for you to send me a quick little message. Tell me your name, where you're from, and what do you normally need on a regular basis that you would normally get at a grocery store. Give this online store a try. No more wasting gas, money, or your time. Everything is at the tip of your fingers, and Melaleuca delivers your necessities directly to your door. Looking forward to helping you save money and have better eco-friendly necessities for your home and your loved ones. And no one is in danger anymore from the other toxic products that carry chemicals. Looking forward to seeing your results by becoming a happy shopper with Melaleuca. What are you waiting for? Stop watching this video. The link is below for you to send me a message. Do it. Talk to you soon. If you are getting results, if you're getting a transformation in your life financially, spiritually, mentally, emotionally, relationally, work life, career life, business life, email me. I would love to hear your transformation. If you found this video helpful, make sure you do share it with someone that will definitely benefit crucially from this video, especially if they're wondering where to start, where to grow, how to build wealth. Again, if you haven't done so already, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. You are incredible. I'm really excited for you. Let's do this.